I'm Sayan Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I'm the founder of 10xcoderkids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it so that you don't miss any of my JavaScript or Python videos. So without any delay, let's get started. So today I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube. Let's scramble it so that you don't doubt that how can I solve it in such a less time. I must have cheated. So like I'm scrambling it in front of you. Anything I like, anything. Okay, you can also hear what I'm not doing anything sensible. I'm just scrambling it. Scramble. Okay, so I think this is scrambled enough. So let's see here. Okay, so this is good enough. So I have the timer with myself. I have the timer with me. So I'm gonna start it. So are you excited? Smash that like button. 3, 2, 1, go. So here I've done this cross. Now let's see. Yeah. Here we are, and here we have this. So here I have everything done, and now I have to do So here I am now, and now I have to do here. Okay, so I have done here. Now I have to do over here. Okay, so here I am. Okay, I am now here, and like I have done this here now. I have to solve the cross. Yeah, so what was that? Yeah, so here was the line, and so here it is, and now I have to check for the sides, and this is the correct side, and this is incorrect, this isn't correct, and this isn't correct. So let's turn it. So let's see now. So I have to quickly do it. One, this is correct, this is correct. So these are correct, and so I'll keep this on left hand, and then 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so like this is now correct. I think so. I don't have the time to check it. So this is now correct. So here, so here I have just almost done it. And here, oh man, my phone's battery is low. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh wow! 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Not bad at all. And you can see, and that you thought that I am pressing over here. I stopped it early. No, I didn't stop it early. It said like, can you see this phone's battery? This it said to do it on low power mode or close it. So like a normal power mode, or like should I close it? So like I did it low power mode. I didn't stop it at all in between. Now only it has done lap 1. So I think this was quite good. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it so that you don't miss any of my JavaScript or Python videos. And always remember, I'm never a cheater. So I'm not saying you a lie. I have just solved it right now. I just solved it. Okay? Please believe me, man. I swear that I solved it. Right now, I just and this is not such a good timing also. It's not such a brilliant timing also. So you can believe on me, on my speed. And like if you have a doubt, just switch on your stopwatch throughout the video and just check it. Yeah, it is 3 minutes 19 seconds. It would be close, like because there will be some timing difference if you switch on your own stopwatch. And if you want to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube, comment down below. I will see your comments, and if you convince me to do that, I'm promising you I will make a tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Thank you guys. Bye. See you soon. Stay safe in this corona time. Bye.